let's also explore this from the perspective that all of this is happening at a time when Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister, will in fact be meeting his Chinese counterpart. And Geeta, there is going to be a lot of focus on that because so far dialogue hasn't really resulted in results on the ground. As far as the situation of the line of actual control goes really, China's been speaking one language and doing something else altogether along the LAC. With this dialogue between Jaishankar and Chinese counterpart, do you see Jaishankar really putting his foot down and talking about this particular incident as an example of China's treachery?
Well, India has put its foot down ever since the Galwan incident took place. So there is no moving back from the position India has been holding in terms of what China should be doing. And any meeting that has taken place so far, whether it's military level level meetings or commander level meetings at Chushul and Moldo, or for that matter, the foreign minister's earlier conversations, the national security advisor's conversations with Wang Yi, and now we're looking at in-person meetings between the defense ministers that took place on 4th of September and the External Affairs Minister meeting Wang Yi on the 10th of September. India's position has been absolutely firm that the Chinese troops will have to move back to the pre-April status and restore status quo ante. Unless and until that happens, there can be no forward movement. But the situation of last night is different from that. What has happened, Akshita, is that for the first time, officially for the first time, shots have been fired for the first time since 1975. That's significant escalation at the border. Even if they were warning shots and they were not shots being fired at each other, it is significant escalation of tensions at the border. It just means that we have troops armed, and any untoward incident is only waiting to happen unless and until immediate de-escalation and disengagement takes place between the troops of both the sides and between the leadership of both the sides in terms of de-escalating matters. It is a political issue. We'll have to wait and see how the two countries are going to engage each other in ensuring that the de-escalation happens, because it no longer is just about how the border meets really take place, but about how the leadership really takes things forward. So we have to wait and see whether if External Affairs Minister will continue with his decision of meeting Wang Yi. But if that meeting happens, it is again going to be about what needs to be done. Yesterday in an interaction, External Affairs Minister made it very clear that that the situation at the border, the state of the border, cannot be de-linked from the state of other areas of relationship between India and China. And that in itself is a significant message from New Delhi to Beijing.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.